Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta using pesto sauce, updated. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and measuring your pasta. While water heats, warm your pesto gently in a bowl and set aside any extras. Cook pasta until al dente, usually 1 to 2 minutes less than package directions. Save 1 cup of pasta water before draining to adjust sauce consistency later. Bring salted water to a vigorous boil and add pasta, stirring immediately to prevent sticking. Taste a strand a minute or two before the shortest package time to catch al dente texture. Keep 1 cup of pasta water aside before draining to help emulsify sauce with starch. Do not rinse the pasta because the starch helps the pesto cling. Return pasta to the pot off heat to combine with sauce and reserved water. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money and priorities, which pairs well with smart, budget-friendly cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Warm the pesto briefly so oils loosen, then add it to the hot, drained pasta along with small amounts of reserved pasta water. Toss vigorously so the starches create a glossy emulsion that clings to each strand. Adjust texture with teaspoons of pasta water until sauce is silky and not runny. Finish with grated Parmesan, a squeeze of lemon for brightness, and freshly cracked pepper for depth before serving immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.